Trees are greening up, which is awesome. The bees are out. The honeybees are out. It's all one today. So I'm gonna go organic as I can with doing a honeybee hole. Uh, it's like here. Let me open this up. Oh my goodness. So there's my top. I found this piece of wood. I got me some holes in it. I got me a bottom. Put me some screen wire in there, some sugar water. I'll probably put some sugar water on the top. And I really think I could attract me a hive. A couple of holes to get in. Yeah, organic beehiving activity. So I think this is going to work. I saw a lot of honeybees last year, and I know where they're at, so I just got to track them into here. And even if I don't harvest any honey from them, I don't care. I just like to give them a little place to live. It'd be kind of cool. So we'll see how that goes. I got about a week or so before it really warms up here. So good deal. Life's great. Always doing something up here in the Smoky Mountains. Good deal. Later.